Okay, this is how you play the game that you need, the human population game. You're going to start out with initial resources of 15, 85, and 10. Your job is to fill in the shaded areas. So the first one you'll fill in by choosing a birth rate, and the birth rate numbers are indicated right in here. So I'm going to choose 0.5. Type 0.5 into the column, then go to your next shaded column. You'll take a dice and you'll roll it. If you get 1 or 2, you'll write 0 in the column. 3 or 4, you'll write 0.1. A 5 or 6, you will write 0.2. I just rolled a 3, so I'm going to put in 0.1. Then here on the bottom, you will do your third shaded column and you will again roll the dice. The numbers are indicated there. I rolled a 1, so I'm going to put in a 0.2, and your numbers will automatically be calculated. For these shaded areas, you'll take the information from the bottom row and use it to fill in the next row. So for column 2, for initial population, you will take the population from the previous generation. So we're going to look for our population, which is 15.6, and I'm going to round that to 16. You can see the sample for more information on rounding. The initial resources are going to be the final resources from the previous generation, which is 84.4. We're going to round that to just 84. And the fertile population will be new children from the previous generation. New children from the previous generation is 4.5. We're going to round that to 5. Okay, then we will proceed again to choose a birth rate. I'm going to choose 1.5. Roll your dice again and insert the corresponding number. I rolled a 6, so I'm going to put 0.2. Again, roll the dice for adult mortality. I rolled a 2, so I'm going to put 0.2 in there, and then click and your column will automatically be calculated. And once again, you'll take this information from column 2 to use for column 3. So for initial population, you will use your final population, which is 17.6. We're rounding it to 18. Your final resources are 82.4. We're going to round that to 82, and your fertile population is the new children from your column 2, which is 6, so you're going to put it in 6, and then you will proceed to fill in by choosing your birth rate and rounding your die, and you'll do that repeatedly for all your columns. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.